So when I was younger, I had a paper route, and I noticed that a bird would follow me on my paper route every day and just watch me deliver newspapers. And it's probably then when I realized that animals are a lot smarter than we give them credit for. But it also kind of freaked me out. I mean, why was this bird watching a little kid deliver newspapers? Isn't that a little creepy? Like, what if it was just some old dude with wings, binoculars, and the uncanny ability to chirp like a bird? This would be a completely different story. Or if that bird had an ice cream truck.
Hey, kid, I've been watching you.
Okay, I'm sorry, sir. Before I go running off and crying again, can I get one push-up and one Mario Pop? Thank you.